Hello, hi, welcome back to Scrap the Stitches. And today we have a lot of market prepping to do. Also, if you have watched my last video, you can see that all the yarn is back to its place. It's a bit messy, but we will work with that for now. So in around 2 weeks, I will have few markets back to back. So I have to prep some stuff, and I decided to make few scarves and few cowls. And actually this project was supposed to be a cowl, but I like the stitch so much that it's gonna end up like a scarf. So for today I'm planning to finish this project, and I don't have much left. I'm trying to finish this whole skein. So after that, after I finish this one, I will start a new project with this same type of yarn, but different color. This is Elise, and I have 2.5 skeins of this one. I really love the colors, but it's probably not gonna be enough for a whole scarf, so I probably will make it a cowl. We'll see about that. But first, let's finish this one. Also, while I'm working on this, I was thinking if I want to do tassels on this scarf or not, since I still have some yarn left. It's not a lot, but if we want tassels, we should do it now. But I'm not sure if it would look nice, and I kind of like this yarn, how it looks without the tassels. Actually, should we put it on and see how it looks? I mean, this is not the best fit for the scarf, but I kind of like how it looks without the tassels, so I think we should be fine without them. What you think? I think it's fine. Let's finish this. It's done. I finished the scarf. So this was the progress from the marker for today. So it's not a lot, but it's not bad. And the whole thing is done. And also this was the yarn that was left from the skein. So I'm very happy that I finished it. I'm happy that the skeins are gone, like 3 of them. So now we can put it on and check it out how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's a bit stiff still, since this is acrylic yarn, so it needs a little bit of wash and it should flow really nicely. But I do like how it looks. I love the colors. I love that you can match it with any kind of wardrobe. Well, maybe not this kind of wardrobe, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm really, really, really happy with it. I actually have few other one scarf and one cowl that I still need to put through a wash so they would get a bit relaxed, if you know what I mean. Actually, let me show you them. I'm not gonna put them on since they still need a little bit of wash, but this is a cowl that I have finished recently. This is also a V-stitch, so it was really fast. And this is a scrap scarf. I love this one so, so, so much. Look at this. Look at this. I'm so happy with this piece, and it also has tassels, so really cute. And also it ate up really good amount of scrap yarn, and I'm also thinking about making another one because I just love the process so much, and I don't know, it just looks so nice. Also needs a wash to loosen up a bit. And I still have another one. So this was the first I finished. This is the first scarf ever I have ever made. It has no tassels, but it goes in a, it's a granny stitch, but it goes in a zigzags. So it's kind of nice, kind of cute. And this one is already washed, so it has like, it's not that stiff anymore, and it has a little flow. So I do like it a lot. Since we are done with the gray scarf, I really, really, really want to make another one. And we still have this yarn that I really want to use. I like how it looks on scarf, and I kind of imagine how it would flow after the wash. So let's start with these ones. Also, I'm not sure if I will be able to finish this scarf in this video, but I will, of course, will show you in the next one, maybe once this is finished. Hello, it's next day today, and I was working on the scarf yesterday until the midnight. And let me show you the progress that I made. So this is the stitch marker, and this is the whole progress that I made yesterday until the midnight. And today I finished this part, and I actually finished already 2 skeins of this yarn, and I have the last one left. So I will try to finish the scarf today, but I can feel some pain in my arm, but I hope I will manage to finish it today. The size of it looks kind of cowlish. I mean, I think it's not gonna be a scarf, but I will have to finish this yarn and then we will see. But if it's not gonna be long enough, then I will make it into a cowl. So far, I really do like how it looks. I love the color changes. The colorway is really, really pretty. And I'm not sure if I like this one or the gray one more. I mean, they look the same, just different colors, of course. But the color wise, I don't even know. They both look really good. Let me know which one you like more. I also love, 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 love this stitch. Look at this. It's really nice. It's going really fast, but like I said, I can feel it in my arm. So, anyways, I'm gonna get back to this, finish this yarn, and then we'll show you the finished product. And we are officially done. The cowl is done. So, as I thought, these 2.5 skeins were not enough for a full scarf. So, instead, I made a cowl. You can twist it 2 times around your neck. Actually, let's try it on. So here's the cowl. I mean, it does need a wash to loosen up a bit, but I do really like it. The colors are nice. It came out really nice. And 2 scarves in, I would say, 3 days. It's not that bad. So since we are done with them, let's just remember what we done. So first project was to finish the scarf, and finish we did. This is the scarf. Beautiful. And the second project was also a scarf, but it ended up as a cowl. It's funny how they switched the places. I started gray one as a cowl, but it ended up as a scarf, and I started this one as a scarf, but it ended up like a cowl. So, well, we have a cowl and we have a scarf. So it's a win-win. I'm happy with both of them. Please let me know in the comments below which one you like more, the cowl or the scarf, or which colors do you like more. Also, I'm very, very happy with the yarn usage for these two projects because this one used the last 2.5 skeins of this variegated yarn, and the scarf used actually 3 skeins of the gray variegated yarn. So I'm really happy that like 5.5 skeins are just gone in few days. So this is really, really good. I'm very happy about this. And that should be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.